Hibernative Hardflipocus. With a relaxed and carefree demeanour, the shaggy-haired omnivore is often found meandering in the foothills of suburban sprawl, and even at times among urbanites. Typically spotted pursuing leftover subsistence and other means, Hardflipocus, with his keen sense of smell and sight, rarely lets a meal go to spoil. Through his long streaks of cool and calm behaviour, he's able to store his energy for the coming season. This is Boo Johnson.
Troubles do. You look bad, you should be glad. No mean man, must be glad. Now sit down, let me kiss your love a little.